a business owner, I wanted to send offer messages in bulk to all my customers in one click with their personalized name, and doing it manually was very time consuming task. So in that case, I have used an amazing feature of WhatsApp broadcasting, which allows me to send bulk messages with a personalized name without getting flagged or restricted. Yes, you heard it right. I have done this process by using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now here to learn how you can use this software to send bulk WhatsApp messages to your customers. You need to access this software by searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently it is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost-effective price. So go and get yours now. And now here for your reference, I'm going to attach this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Alright, so now here after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So here to connect yours, click on this add button, and here you can see two methods. So if you wish to learn about any of the method in details, then you can watch out the video links available in the description box below for the same. And now let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the video links available on our YouTube channel and in the description box as well. And here, as you know, that we are going to learn how you can send the WhatsApp broadcast messages to your customers in bulk. We are going to use a broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. But before that, let me tell you that I have already created a template message which I'm going to use to send the automated WhatsApp messages to my customers. So now here to show you that template message, let me access this template section available over here. Now under this template section, you can see the number of approved, pending, draft and rejected templates. Here you can see the template that I've created with the name new offer, and you can see this is the message that I've drafted. Here you can see the status of this template is approved. That means we can use this template to send the automated WhatsApp messages. So now here to create a new one, click on this add button, and here you can see two methods. If you want to create manually, then you can select add template, and here you need to add the details and then click on the submit button to create a new template. And to learn about this entire process in detail, you can watch out the video available on our YouTube channel, or you can click on this learn more hyperlink as well. Alright, so now after creating the template, we are going to access this broadcast section, and then we're going to click on this add broadcast. So here we're going to select our broadcast type as broadcast campaign, and for the broadcast name, we are going to give the name as new message. This is a random name. Then comes the contact list. So here you can select the contact list to whom you want to send this WhatsApp message. So here I already have my customer details in Google Sheet to whom I want to send this automated WhatsApp message. And now here, in order to send the WhatsApp messages to these contacts, I need to add them in my Pabbly Chatflow account first. For that, we're going to access this contact section. And here under contact section, you can see the contact list available over here in the left side bar. And to create a new one, click on this add contact button. And here if you want to add single contact, then you can simply add the details. And to add in bulk, you need to select this option. Then here it is asking us to upload the CSV file. But you know that we have a data in our Google Sheets. So you need to download this file in a .csv format. Once you're going to download the file, upload the same over here, and automatically all the bulk contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Once the contacts are added, you can simply create a separate contact list for the same. For now, I'm going to use an existing list that I already have with the name new list. Alright, so this is the contact list. Then it is asking for the message type. So you can see two options. One is pre-approved template message, and the other one is regular message. So as I've already mentioned that I'm going to use a pre-approved template message, so I've selected that. If you want, you can send the regular type of message by simply selecting the message type from the drop down, and here you need to add the message and in the right side you can have a preview of the message. For now we're going to select the template message, and here I've already shown you that I already have a template with the name new offer. So here you can see I have used a variable in the place of this name because I wanted to make this field dynamic. You can add multiple variables in your draft. So now here to make this field permanently dynamic so that my customer should receive a personalized WhatsApp message, what we are going to do is that we are going to access contact custom fields available over here from these settings. Now here in this contact custom fields you can see some global fields available such as name, mobile number, last name and the first name. Also you can add more contact custom fields if you want. And as you know, I have used a variable in the place of the name. So we're going to copy the field name for the same and we're going to add it over here. Then we're going to click on this done, and you can see this is our template message. Then here it is asking us to test our broadcast message. So before sending this message to our wider audience, we can test this message by sending it on our WhatsApp number first. So let me add my username over here and then my phone number over here. Now after adding the details, we're going to click on the send test message and it says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp, and you can see we have received a personalized WhatsApp message with the same message template. So with this we have successfully tested our broadcast message. Now it is asking us to schedule the broadcast. So if you want to send this broadcast message instantly to all your customers, then select no, and to schedule it for later select yes. Here you need to select a particular date and time as well. So while selecting the date and time, make sure you're selecting a future date and time. If you're selecting the past date and time, then it is going to send the message instantly to all your contacts. Alright, I've selected the date and time and we are going to click on this add broadcast. You can see we have successfully scheduled our broadcast over here. Once this broadcast is sent, then automatically you can view the stats for the same. Here you can see the data of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed status of the broadcast. And also let me tell you that once the broadcast is failed, you can resend it to valid contacts by selecting a resend option from here. Alright, so with this we have successfully learned how you can send the automated WhatsApp messages to all your contacts in bulk without getting restricted or flagged. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code that is available on your screens. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this, you can create many such WhatsApp chatbots and AI assistants for your own business with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then please visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.